Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making vegan hamburger steak with mushroom and onion gravy. Heat a large skillet on medium heat and add a teaspoon of oil. Place the patties in the skillet spaced out evenly. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until internal temperature is 165 degrees. Transfer cooked patties to a plate and set aside. Using the same skillet, add the remaining teaspoon of oil and the onions and sauté on medium heat until the onions start to look soft and slightly translucent. Then add the mushrooms and season with garlic salt and black pepper. Increase the heat to medium-high and continue to sauté, cooking the mushrooms until they're just starting to get pliable. Don't overcook them or they will be soggy or mushy. In a separate medium pot, heat vegetable stock to a gentle simmer and add the thyme, granulated garlic, black pepper, and parsley. Mix the water and cornstarch with a whisk or fork until smooth, then slowly add to the simmering stock and whisk until you have a smooth, slightly thick gravy. Stir in the kitchen bouquet if using, then add the cooked onion and mushrooms, folding to combine. To serve, place a patty on a bed of rice and spoon over some of the gravy. A little sprinkle of parsley on top will really make your dish look great. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.